Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we dive in, have you ever wondered why we are using a Maven project for our Selenium tests? Or maybe you're asking yourself, what even is a Maven project? Or what does Maven do behind the scenes? If so, you are in the right place. Today we are going to demystify the structure of a Maven project and explain why it's such a popular choice for managing Selenium test automation. And hey, if you're just starting your Selenium journey, make sure to check out the Selenium for Beginners podcast. It's packed with easy to follow tips, real world examples, and bite sized lessons to help you build a strong foundation one episode at a time. Today's topic might seem basic, but it's super important. Many beginners skip this part and end up confused later when they can't manage dependencies, can't run tests properly, or their project setups just breaks. So in this video, I'll explain what a plain Java project is, what Maven and Gradle brings to the table, when to use each, especially in the context of Selenium test automation. By the end of today's session, Maven will go from mystery tool to one of your best testing allies. Ready to boost your Selenium skills? Let's get into it. Now, what exactly is Maven? Imagine you're baking a cake. To bake it perfectly, you need few things. The right ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, the right tool, mixing bowl, oven, a recipe to follow step by step. In the coding world, Maven is like your smart kitchen assistant that helps you gather all the ingredients, tools, instructions you need to bake your software cake. So why do we need Maven? When programmers build software, it's rarely just one file or a simple recipe. It usually needs a lot of ingredients, which we call libraries or dependencies, clear instructions on how to put everything together, making sure everything works well together. Imagine if you had to find every ingredient yourself from different stores, and sometimes one ingredient wouldn't fit your recipe. That would be a mess, right? This is where Maven shines. It's like your amazing personal shopper and recipe manager who finds the exact right ingredients you need from trusted stores, also known as online repositories. Make sure you have the right versions of those ingredients. Organizes everything so your cake bakes perfectly every time. Follows your recipe step in the right order. No confusions. In programming, this means we write code. We often need other people's code, that is, libraries to help us, like tools and helpers. Maven makes sure all those helpers are ready and working smoothly with our code. Without Maven, you would have to find and download every helper yourself, which takes a lot of time and can cause errors. With Maven, you just say what you need and Maven handles the rest automatically. Easy, right? Here's a quick example. Say you want to build a car, but you don't want to make the tires yourself. You ask Maven, "Hey Maven, get me tires, engine, and seats from trusted suppliers." Maven then finds the right tires for your car, checks the engine fits your model, brings all the parts right to your workshop. You just focus on putting the car together. Maven handles the parts. So to wrap up, Maven is a tool that helps programmers manage their code ingredients and recipes, making the whole process easier and less messy. If you think of coding like cooking or building, Maven is your reliable kitchen helper or part supplier. Now let's quickly compare three common types of Java projects you will see in real QA jobs. Plain Java project, the DIY sandwich. Imagine you want to make a sandwich from scratch, no fancy help. You buy bread, ham, cheese, veggies yourself. You slice, layer, and put it together step by step. You have to remember every step and make sure you don't forget anything. If you want mustard, you have to go get it yourself. This is like plain Java projects. You write your code and manage everything yourself. All the parts, tools, and steps, it works, but it can get messy and takes time. Maven, the sandwich kit. Now imagine you buy a sandwich kit from the store. It's all the ingredients measured and packed for you. It comes with a recipe card telling you exactly how to put it together. If you want to add some extra sauce, the kit can get it for you automatically. That's Maven. It manages all the parts, that is, libraries you need, gets the right versions, and tells you how to build your project step by step. You don't have to hunt for ingredients. Maven does it for you. Gradle, the customizable sandwich robot. Now imagine a super smart sandwich making robot. You tell it what kind of sandwich you want, how spicy, what bread, even special toppings. It figures out the best way to get your ingredients. It can switch recipes quickly and customize on the fly. It's fast, flexible, and can handle complex orders easily. That's Gradle. Like Maven, it manages ingredients and builds your project. But it's more flexible and faster, especially for big and complicated projects. Here's a quick recap. Plain Java project. You handle everything manually. Maven automatically gets ingredients and guides the build. Gradle, flexible, fast, customizable builder. Why use Maven and Gradle? Because managing all the ingredients and steps yourself gets hard fast, especially for big projects. These tools save time, avoid mistakes, and make it easier to share your projects with others. So, to sum it up, Maven is like your trusty sandwich kit. Gradle is a fancy robot that adapts to what you want, and plain Java is just doing it yourself. Which one you pick depends on your need and project complexity. For automation testing, Maven hits the sweet spot. That's why we use it and why most interviewers expect you to know it. Start with plain Java projects to learn, move to Maven for real world projects, and explore Gradle when you are ready for enterprise level testing. In upcoming video, we are diving into something super important, locators and element identification in Selenium. Because automation is all about interacting with the right elements. And trust me, XPath, CSS selectors and IDs are going to become your best friends. We'll cover how to find elements using by.id, by.xpath, by.css selector and more. Decide which locator strategy to use. Avoid flaky tests with smart locator techniques. So if you're serious about leveling up, don't miss that video. Also, if you are preparing for automation job interviews, check out my Selenium WebDriver interview prep course on YouTube. It includes curated real-world questions, step-by-step answers, complete coverage from locators to frameworks and reporting. The link is in the description and I would love to see you inside. And of course, if you found this helpful, like the video, drop your Selenium questions in the comment, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.